Emperor penguins are the ultimate survivors. They live in Antarctica, the coldest place on Earth, where temperatures drop to -60 Celsius and winds can reach hurricane levels. During winter, the males take on one of the hardest parenting jobs in the animal kingdom. They protect the egg alone for about 2 months. They balance the egg on their feet and cover it with a warm flap of skin, all while eating nothing. To survive the cold, thousands of penguins form a massive huddle, rotating positions so everyone gets a turn in the warm center. Their teamwork is so perfect, scientists compare it to a moving, breathing machine built for survival.